Hello, world. Today, the part about Adam will be played by me, Mr. Dino. Ha! Ah! And today we're going to be talking about numbers.
Numbers. Shh, it's my show.
Oh, sorry. And today we're talking about numbers. So I'm looking around and I'm seeing some numbers. Anyone in the audience watching?
They might be watching it.
Hey, I'm doing the show. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm looking for a number. Is it a 1 or a 2? I'm waiting. I think it's a 2. Hey, did you hear something? Maybe. I don't know. I think I see 2 different numbers. I see something too. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. I don't know about you. Come on. I'm feeling 22. All right. Everything will be all right if you keep me next to you. You don't know about me. I'm a dino, but I bet you won't too. Everything will be all right if you keep on dancing like we're 22. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's right, 22. Thank you. Thanks for listening to my number song. And I'm the leader of this group and the best singer of everyone. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if he's the leader, but anyway, I'm glad that he took a turn at.
Hey, I'm not done.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, I'm done.
Okay. But it's fun. You can make a song or make something up, whatever you're doing. It can be about a favorite toy, it can be about the clothes you're wearing, it can be about things that are outside, like leaves, or snow, or trees, or plants. Like, you can make up something and turn it into something silly and fun, no matter what you're doing. If it's a number, or even if it's not a number. Or if you're with your favorite puppet friends.
Hey, thank you.
You are welcome.
All right, bye, everybody. And everyone, dinos are awesome.
Dinos are awesome. I will never forget it.